Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture we completed our first chapter. Today we will start our new chapter which is polynomials. Clear? As in earlier classes you learned something about the polynomials. You are familiar with some terms like constant, variables, algebraic expressions, terms, coefficients, etc. Clear? In this video, first of all, we learn what is constant. Clear? What is constants? Constants. Clear? A symbol having fixed numerical value, a symbol having fixed numerical value is called constant. Is called constant. क्या रहा? A symbol having fixed numerical values is called constant. We use symbols in our mathematical operations as 1, 2, 3, pi, and another type of symbols x, y, z, a, b, c, etc. Okay? The symbols whose value does not change and it remains forever in every condition of the according to the rule, that is called constant. कहने का मतलब हम अपने मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस में मेनी सिंबल्स यूज करते हैं. उनमें से ऐसे सिंबल्स जिनकी वैल्यू कभी चेंज नहीं होती, जो वैल्यू ऑलवेज रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट होती है, उन्हीं को क्या बोलते हैं? कांस्टेंट कहते हैं. तो कांस्टेंट को हम कैटेगराइज करें दो कैटेगरी में कर सकते हैं. एक को हम बोलते हैं एब्सोल्यूट कांस्टेंट और दूसरे को बोलते हैं आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट. द वैल्यू ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट कांस्टेंट नेवर चेंज. जो एब्सोल्यूट कांस्टेंट होता है इसकी वैल्यू कभी भी चेंज नहीं होती, और जो आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट होता है इस आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू क्या होती है? किसी स्पेसिफिक केस के लिए, जिस केस में हमने इसको लिया हुआ है वहां पे कांस्टेंट होती है. हम देखते हैं फ्यू एग्जांपल्स ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट कांस्टेंट. जैसे 1, 2, 3, पाई. These are the absolute constants. Means इनकी वैल्यू ऑलवेज क्या रहेगी? 1 ही. जैसे 1 है तो 1 ही रहेगी, 2 है तो 2 ही रहेगी. मतलब इनकी वैल्यू कभी चेंज नहीं होगी. और जो कांस्टेंट हम चूज करते हैं किसी एक सर्टेन कंडीशन के लिए, सपोज अगर मैंने ए को कांस्टेंट सेट कर दिया किसी स्पेसिफिक कंडीशन के लिए, तो उसे क्या कहेंगे? आर्बिट्रेरी कांस्टेंट कहेंगे. क्लियर? नाउ we discuss the variables. What is variables? Variables, a symbol which may be a symbol which may be assigned different values, different numerical values, is known as variable. Is known as variable. Clear? क्या कहा? A A symbol which has assigned different values, that is called variable. ऐसे सिंबल जिनकी डिफरेंट वैल्यूज पॉसिबल है अकॉर्डिंग टू द गिवन कंडीशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड वेरिएबल्स। जनरली वेरिएबल्स को डिनोट किससे करते हैं? x, y, z etc. For example, if we take c equal to 2 pi r is a relation where c is circumference of circle and r is radius of circle. Radius of circle. Then circumference of circle c and radius of circle r is variable while 2 pi is constant. We can select the radius of the circle as 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, and according to this the value of circumference will be obtained. Here both radius of circle and circumference of circle is variable, but in all the time the value of 2 pi remains constant, means does not change. Hence here 2 pi is constant and r and c are variables. In simple, variables are the signs which have different values. It has one value in one condition, then it will have the another value in the other conditions, means other problems. Means the value of the symbols are changed different to different places. Clear? Now we discuss the term algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. A combination of constant and variables. A combination of constants and variables connected by some are the operations plus minus divide and multiplication. Here R is known as algebraic expressions. Is known as algebraic expression. Clear? What is algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variables. Clear? A combination of constants and variables. वेरिएबल्स और कांस्टेंट का कॉम्बिनेशन होता है. कंबाइन कैसे होते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑपरेशंस. एंड ऑपरेशंस में भी एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशंस. दैट इज known as algebraic expression. For example, 3x plus 5, 4x square minus 9 is plus 11, 3 root 2x minus 7. All these are the algebraic expressions. ये सब के सब क्या है? algebraic expression. सिंपल क्या कहा गया कि algebraic expression क्या होता है? ये कॉम्बिनेशन होता है किसका? कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल्स का. कंबाइन कैसे होते हैं? विद द हेल्प ऑफ ऑपरेशंस, मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस, एंड मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशंस which are addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Clear? Now we discuss terms of an algebraic expressions. Terms of an algebraic expressions. Terms of an algebraic expression. Clear? Now, the several parts of algebraic expression. The several parts of algebraic expression separated by plus or minus, separated by plus or minus operations are called the terms of an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Clear? What are the terms? Terms is the several parts of the algebraic expressions which are separated by the operation plus or minus. For example, if we write it 4x square plus 3x minus 11, here these two parts are separated by plus sign, hence the terms of algebraic expressions are 4x square, 3x and minus 11. Here it has three terms. First 4x square, second 3x and the third minus 11. Here now we discuss the coefficient. What is the coefficient? The coefficient is a constant terms present in the terms. For example, here coefficient is in this term 4, in this term 3, and here is constant. Here this is the constant. So we find coefficient of x square means 4 and x means 3. Clear? That is the coefficient. We will discuss the polynomials. What are the polynomials in the next video? Thank you.